and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do some cool beach waves, and we're going to transform this to this gorgeous beach waves using your hair straightener. Okay, so you first want to put some heat spray, and the one I'm using is the one from Tresemme, and it's their heat defense, and it's up to 230 degrees protection. So we're just gonna spray that nice and generously all over our hair. So I've just washed my hair, I've shampooed and conditioned, and then what you want to do is you want to have lots of volume. So what you want to do is you want to put your hair over, and then you're going to hair dry it. Okay, and I'm going to be using this really awesome hair dryer that I got from Tony and Guy, and it does like salon hair, like, you know, when you walk out of the salon and you have this luxurious soft hair, it really does give you that. So I'm just going to dry it. So what you want to do when you finish drying is you want to put some cool air, and that's just going to try and keep the volume in. So for this, I'm going to be using my GHD Straightener to get the beach waves. I know lots of people use curling tongs and wands, but some people also prefer GHD. You're just going to turn it on, and what we're going to do is we're going to start with small sections, so just the underneath first. And what you want to start doing is you just want to straighten the end bits. So you're going to just grab all the hair and just straighten the end bits. Okay. Then we're going to grab a section of hair. You can do small sections or big sections depending on how big you want your wave to be. And we're just going to curl and release halfway. So we're going to start from the top, curl and release halfway. So let me just do one on this side. Start from the top, curl and release. Curl, release. Quite hard to do the back. And we're gonna just keep doing this in small sections at a time. what you want to do when you're done is you want to loosen it out. Get yourself some volume. A whole lot of volume here. And then there's some bits that I missed. So you can go back to any of the bits that you may have missed. And then when you're done, you're just going to go in with some hairspray. And I'm going to be using one from Tresemme. We're just going to generously spray that all over, just to keep it in place. And this is it. Some nice cool beach waves using your hair straightener. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like or a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if there's any video tutorials that you'd like me to do or you'd want advice on, please feel free to drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching.